All right, do I have a disaster for you today? Watch till the end because we got something going on this side that a lot of you probably won't even believe, and I'm sure most of you have never even seen before. I'm not going to bother going inside. It's a disaster. Moisture damage in the floor, wires hanging everywhere, mold in there. You know, it's a good one. Over here on this side, we got this big hill, slope straight to the house. Might not show on camera very well, but we're coming off this hill straight into the corner. And I mean, take a look at this wall flashing. I don't know. You tell me, you think water can get in there? Got a lot of rot on the trim. Got a little settlement on the garage blocks. Plenty of rot everywhere. All along the bottom of this wall. No Z flashing on any of the siding joints anywhere. Around the front, the inside of the garage is the same asphalt we got out here, and it is so uneven and wonky. You feel like you're drunk walking around in there. Here's a good one. Weatherproof cover. Also hiding the all the rot there. You know, I'm sure that'll definitely keep the rain out, right? That's fine. We got this deck over here, which I don't know who thought it would be a good idea to report or replace, what, 8 boards? But they didn't use screws. They're just sitting here. The whole thing is trashed. It's got to go. It's going to be a miracle if I can walk on this thing and not fall in. Right here too. Might not show on camera, but if I put my full weight on those couple of boards, I'm probably going through it. Around the side here, I'm gonna save this side for last. We got all the good stuff right here. I'll show you that in a minute. Let me walk around the back and show you a couple things there. Enough crawl space accesses for you. Obviously, we got some really good stairs. Signs of moisture all over the concrete block everywhere. I don't know what's going on with this wood, quite honestly. I don't know if that's to help the screen. I have no idea why you would do that. More moisture damage over here, all along the stucco. Cracks for water to get in real easy. And if this isn't a professional repair, I don't know what is. I mean, if you're leaking and your whole wall is rotting out, you know, just nail a tarp to the wall. It's fine. There's nothing left under that window anymore. All that's rotted out. This thing, believe it or not, where was the date on it? Here it is. 1989. It doesn't work, as shocking as that may sound. All right, now for the good stuff. Walking around the outside, you know, it kind of just looks like a normal house. Normal. And once you get over to this side over here and start opening up all these doors and cabinets, first thing I did when I got here was open up this big door and look at the panel box, make sure, you know, we have some power. We do, we got the green tag. And I'm looking in here and I'm thinking, why did somebody build a wall in front of another wall? So this is the original wall. We've got this big wall built over it. Same thing in here. The original wall inside there. And I opened up this thing. There's a mobile home in the core of this house from the 70s that's been built over top of and around. You know, this thing was not designed to support a whole nother roof structure on top of it. Not to mention some of these piers are starting to fall over. But that's a trailer frame. Up in the attic up there, once you open that up, you can see the original metal trailer roof up there that they've put rafters over top of. So the whole front of this house, all the way to about the front door-ish, is a single wide mobile home with all of this built on top of it. The whole roof structure is built on top and supporting itself on the original mobile home exterior walls, which is no good, obviously. So how you like that? You ever seen a trailer as the core foundation of your big house? Now we got the good stuff out of the way, we'll walk inside. Might as well go in here. So we got concrete. This is not part of the mobile home. This step up is. So basically this section here, from this wall to this wall, is the original mobile home. All this has been added. The whole roof structure above us has been added. But going down this whole hallway, this is the original mobile home in here. As you can see by the fiberglass tub. Which, oh, here's another thing. How you like Formica as your fiberglass enclosure repair? It just doesn't, it just keeps getting better in here. About to go through the floor by that toilet. Same story in here. There's the original mobile home particle board. All rotted out. Nothing left anymore. Particle board with tile and carpet. Here's some more signs of the original mobile home in here. Got the old polybutylene piping, which is not used anymore for good reason. And this is their attempt at a bathroom remodel. Gaps in the studs. This one is just really good.